Stephen F. Austin. At 27, Stephen F. Austin put aside his plans of practicing law and went to Texas to fulfill his father's wishes. Austin's first visit visited San Antonio de Bexar and met with Governor Martinez. Governor Martinez appointed Seguin, a well-known, respected citizen, to help Austin. So Stephen F. Austin, the son of Moses Austin, ended up putting his plans aside and to fulfill his father's wish, dying wish. Empresarios, other than the first one, Moses Austin, he started it, the ball rolling, but he died of pneumonia. Then his son took over, Stephen F. Austin. And then these other impresarios named Green DeWitt and Martin De Leon were also famous impresarios and successful impresarios in settling Texas for Mexico. But we're going to see the good things that come out of it and the bad things considering what side you're on. Um, again, we're going to figure out why people moved over here and, who benefited and who didn't. Mexican new colonization laws. So they had some new laws. National Colonization Law of 1824 allowed each Mexican state to set its own colonization policies, restricted new U.S. immigrants from establishing colonies near the borders or the coast. State Colonization Law of 1825. Impresarios received 67,000 acres of land for every 200 families. Heads of house received 4,442 acres of land for $30 and exempt from paying taxes for 10 years. Effects of settling in Texas. Huge wave of immigrants, particularly U.S. immigrants, to Texas. Several new colonies established. So most colonies were from United States. They were settling land that was in Mexico. So Stephen F. Austin contributes to Texas. Contributions to Texas. Over 40 impresarios were granted land grants during the 1820s, and the population increased from a mere couple thousand to 21,000 by 1834. So it was working. The impresarios were being successful in bringing people to live in Texas. Stephen F. Austin alone was responsible for bringing more than 1,500 families to Texas. A lot. He had the ability to get along with almost everyone he met, including Mexican officials and Indian leaders. He will forever be known as the father of Texas. So he was very influential in bringing people to Texas and making Texas what it is today. He brought over 1,500 families to Texas. So not only was he successful in that, that also made him rich.